8 months ago, we invested into the Cur8 Capital EIS Venture Capital Fund, which suggests returns of 20% plus per year. So let's check in and see how it's doing. We put £10,000 into the fund, and right off the bat, we were down £850. That's because they take 3 years of fees up front. So on day one, we were already down 8.5%. And that's not even all the fees. They take more fees over time. But who doesn't love a 20% return, especially when it's a halal one? But if we're going to be real, expectations don't always match reality. Venture capital is a long game. The companies being invested into don't have frequent, reliable valuations, so knowing whether you're up or down at any given moment is nearly impossible. So far, our money has been spread across 11 different companies. Diverge, Think Solo, Sahel AI, Remo, AI Capital, Adia Thermal, Cur8, Meet More, Built AI, Oxwash, and Newphonic. But here's the thing, only 4,500 has actually been invested. That means more than half of our money is still sitting there nearly a year in doing nothing. I have no idea how the companies are performing right now that we have invested into. What I do know is that most of my money hasn't been put to work yet. That's how some VC funds operate. They wait for the right opportunities to deploy capital. That could take a year or it could take even longer. And don't forget, with this specific investment, your money is locked up for at least 7 years. We're still in the very, very early days, having invested for less than a year. Let's see if this investment proves to be a good one. As ever, we'll send out updates as and when we have them.